Today we're going to be looking at Turing Test, which is a medium OSINT challenge from San Diego CTF 2022. This challenge gives you the opportunity to discover the answers to typical security questions via social media sleuthing. The prompt reads, "My friend has been locked out of his account on flagvault.sdctf. Can you help him recover it?" His email is jack.sdctf@gmail.com. If we open up the website that was linked in the prompt, we'll arrive on this very minimalist-looking login page. We have nothing else to do but type in the email that was given to us and try some basic passwords. Now, when I hit login, it not only tells me that my login is invalid, but also tells me how many times I've failed to log in. If I keep attempting to log in, a customer service window suddenly explodes into existence on my screen. In this window, I am greeted by Clippy, who would like to help me regain access to my account. Clippy gives me two options to proceed. I can either attempt account recovery or receive breadpuns. But unfortunately, the API that was being used for breadpuns is no longer functional. So with lack of any suitable alternative, we begin the account recovery. The first thing Clippy asks us to confirm is our full name. Unfortunately, we don't actually have the full name of the person whose account we are trying to recover. We only have their email address. It is at this point where this particular challenge fails to be accessible a little bit. There are lots of services with which you can easily discover an account given a person's email address, and you would normally discover these by using a tool called SocialScan. Unfortunately, the information we are looking for lives on Facebook, and the only way to search a user by email on Facebook is to have a Facebook account. Since not all CTF challengers live in countries where Facebook is even legal, this is not necessarily the most approachable challenge. It can also be annoying for people who just don't want a Facebook account, which is completely understandable. You'll have to take my word for it, but if you go into Facebook and simply enter the email into the search bar and hit enter, it should pull up an account by the name of Jack Banner, who is very obviously a reference to San Diego CTF. We're going to assume that this is the person we're interested in and let Clippy know that our name is Jack Banner. This appeases the Clippy, and we are next asked to confirm our birthday, or rather the birthday of Jack Banner. For this, we can return to Jack Banner's Facebook page, and when we do, we very quickly find out two things. Thing number one, Jack Banner is an insatiable sneakerhead. And thing number two, Jack Banner celebrated a birthday on April 15th. But wait, if we look carefully at the message, this celebration is apparently 99 days late. 99 days before April 15th happens to be January 10th. Clippy confirms this date is correct, and as a security measure, asks us to confirm the name of our dog. If we scroll through this Facebook account, we don't see any mention of a dog, but if we're careful, we'll notice that there is an Instagram account linked to this Facebook account. If we open that up, we see that this is the Instagram account belonging to a dog named Ravioli. We can tell Clippy the newly learned pet name of Ravioli, and Clippy presents us with one last final question before giving us access to the flag vault. What are the first 6 characters of the flag? This is reminiscent to security questions that ask you to confirm the last 4 digits of a credit card on file or something. Thankfully, in this CTF, all flags start with SDCTF curly brace, so if we type this in, Clippy will allow us to access the flag vault. Here we can view at least one flag, and with that, the challenge is solved.